Oh boy, here I am. It's January 8th, 2012, and this is the first time that it has snowed like this. But it's no ordinary snow, because overnight the temperature drops into freezing temperature, and now all the snow became ice. And so this has been we have been under the snow. This is in Seattle, east of Seattle, in Bothell. This is the area around where we're at right now, and so we have been under the snow for several days. One of the worst snow in history here. And so right now I'm trying to get one of our vehicles to be on the road and take go to office and go to work. But as you can see here, my gosh, this is a very treacherous and dangerous, going to be a dangerous trip. Definitely all the ice, all the snow is now hard ice. So this is, you know, I hope that you can see here. I hope I'm able to give you a good idea of how strong and how heavy the snow here is. This is Ruben the valle, and I live in Bothell, Washington. I have to pry out. The doors are locked, and frozen, and I have to pry out the door to be able to be opened. And lo and behold, because the car has anti-theft alarm, it sets off the alarm because I was prying the door open, those kind of things. Anyway, okay, I'll move on with what I'm doing right now and try to get this all done.